Have you ever wondered how people take stunning looking professional shots using their smartphone? Well, then this video is for you. My name is Vanyu and welcome back to my channel. Well, today we are talking about pro mode in your smartphone. Well, the video is divided into two sections, the settings and the conditions when and how you have to use them. Let's get started. So let's start the tutorial by jumping into pro mode in your mobile phone. On the right side of the frame, you will see multiple settings with which we will be playing. These settings are shutter speed, ISO, focus, white balance and exposure compensation. Of all these settings, we'll be playing with two settings, those are ISO and shutter speed. Individually speaking, all these settings require an in-depth tutorial. Well, technically, ISO means the measure of sensitivity of your image sensor. Well, in layman's term, it means adding light digitally to your photograph. Since we are adding digitally, it is always advised to work with least possible ISO in given conditions. If we talk about shutter speed, well, it means for how long the shutter of your camera opens up, captures the light and closes. So faster shutter speed like 1/400 or 1/1000th of a second is the duration for how long the shutter of your camera opens up and captures the light. For focusing, you can either tap on your subject and the mobile will automatically focus on that point, or what you can do is just play with the meter given to you. Anything to the right or to the top means you are going towards infinity. So any point after 20, 30 or 40 feet is considered to be at infinity. Do remember to take multiple shots and check them by zooming in your screen given to you so that you know that you have made proper focus. Don't forget to cleaning your lens before you proceed, because a lot of times you might have oil or dust particles on your lens and they might ruin the clarity of your shot. If you are enjoying this video, do consider subscribing to my channel because it serves as an excellent motivation factor for me for creating more such videos. Now back to the tutorial. In daylight conditions, if you don't have any movement in your shot, the first thing that you need to set is the ISO. Since you have enough light, it is always advised to go for the least possible ISO. After ISO, you can set your shutter speed and make sure you have an evenly exposed shot. During daylight conditions with motion or movement in your shot, the first thing that you need to set is the shutter speed. If you want to capture or freeze the movement and motion of the shot, you will have to go for a faster shutter speed, that is 1/2000 or 1/3000th of a second, and then set your ISO. In case you want to capture the motion and that motion blur in your shot, you should go for a slower shutter speed, that is 1/50th or 1/30th of a second. Do remember to set your ISO accordingly and get that evenly exposed shot. During low light conditions, since you don't have enough light, you'll have to find a perfect balance between ISO and shutter speed. You can't increase your ISO a lot because you might end up getting that noise and grain in your photo. In case of shutter speed, you can't decrease your shutter speed a lot because you might get that shake in your photo. So what you can do is use a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, you can use a table or book as base and have stable hands. Also set a 2 or 5 second timer, because whenever you're taking a photo, you'll tap on the screen and the screen will shake for a while. In case you want to capture motion and movement in your shot during low light conditions, what you can do is use a tripod, set your shutter speed depending upon how long you think it will take for capturing that movement. For example, in this shot, I went for a 2-second shutter speed. In this shot, I went for 13-second shutter speed. So you'll have to find that balance and set your ISO to minimum condition and take the shot. So that's it all for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more tutorials, check the playlist up here and like, share and subscribe to my channel. यार वो तो obviously बात है. Hit that bell icon and I'll see you in a few days with another amazing video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.